I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video I will explain how to replace a headlight bulb on your Nissan Versa. Before starting any work, always prioritize your safety by disconnecting the negative terminal of your vehicle's battery. You will need a few basic tools, including a new headlight bulb, which is often an H4, H9, or H11 type, and a screwdriver. Remember, never touch the glass of the new bulb with your bare hands. Now, let's get started by opening your Nissan Versa's hood. Once open, secure it firmly with the prop rod to ensure it stays in place while you work. Next, locate the back of the headlight assembly. You will see the electrical connector attached to the bulb socket. Gently press the release tab and pull the connector straight off to disconnect it from the bulb. After disconnecting the electrical connector, you might find a dust cover or rubber boot. Remove it. Next, you will either unclip a retaining wire or rotate the bulb approximately 1/8 of a turn counterclockwise to release it. Carefully pull the old bulb straight out. When inserting the new bulb, align its 3 tabs with the slots in the housing. Push it in gently and secure it by rotating it clockwise or reattaching the retaining clip. With the new bulb securely in place, reattach the electrical connector until it clicks. If you removed a dust cover or rubber boot, put it back on to protect the bulb. Now, reconnect the negative terminal of your vehicle's battery. Turn on your headlights to confirm the new bulb is working properly. Ensure both low and high beams function as expected before you close the hood completely. Great job!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.